this is Jessica, and today I'm going to be unboxing the mixed media inspired subscription kit for September. So the first thing you're going to see when you open the box is a note from us and a description of what's inside the box. There's also an exclusive code for discount on our store. And first thing we're going to look at in the box is the exclusive pin. Now this pin features a bunch of pink and purple roses on a blue background. And then I'm so excited that we're going to be working with the Distress Oxide sprays. Now these three are part of the newest release from Tim Holtz and Ranger, and the colors are Rusty Hinge, Black Soot, and Crushed Olive. I think these are going to be really fun for fall projects, even going into Halloween, so I'm excited to work with those. Next to pull out of the box are these two colors of sequins. They have a metallic sheen to them. Then we're going to work with the Tim Holtz Ideology Nature Adornments. Now these are 3D metal embellishments. So everyone also gets a package of these vintage photos. Now these are real vintage photos that we have purchased just for you guys. And everyone's photos will of course be different. So on mine I have these two guys, I have a waterfall, a bunch of ladies on a bed, a creek bed it looks like, and some ladies posed outside a house. So of course everyone's photos will be different, but these are what I have in my package. They're randomly assigned, so you never know what you get. There's also some loose dictionary paper, which we cut right out of an old vintage dictionary. Perfect for collaging, stamping on, even making into a mini book, which is what I'm going to do with some of mine. And lastly is this Tim Holtz Distress Heavy Stock. Now this is a really nice quality 110-pound cardstock, perfect for mixed media. When you get it wet, it won't warp or bend. It just lays completely flat. It's also awesome for die cutting. And that is everything that's in the September box. I'm so excited to see what you guys create with it. Please share what you make on social media using hashtag mixedmediainspired. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Have a great day.